Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of electronic component testing using our advanced universal testing machine. First up, let's explore the connector pullout test. This test measures the force required to detach a connector. The fixture we're using is a precision-engineered pincer grip with a self-tightening mechanism. It effortlessly clamps onto cables of various sizes. As the test begins, our UTM steadily pulls the connector at a constant rate, accurately measuring the force needed to pull it out. The test concludes automatically once the connector is fully extracted. Next, let's examine the solder joint bond test. For this test, we utilize pneumatic side action grips in conjunction with a sliding peel table. When the test initiates, the table adjusts automatically to ensure the force applied is perfectly aligned in the axial direction, ensuring precise and reliable results. Finally, let's look at the peel test, which assesses the bond strength of the copper track to the PCB substrate. For this, we use a small square vice action grip. The peel angle is crucial and must be maintained at 90 degrees throughout the test. Our UTM handles this seamlessly by automatically adjusting the peel table as the copper track is peeled from the PCB. This test is vital for ensuring the durability and reliability of PCBs in various applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into our testing capabilities. See you next time.